Hey everyone, today we're going to be showing you how to record your screen on your Android device. It's totally free and really easy to do, so check it out. Hey everyone, it's Ken here from Northern Viking Everyday, and if you are new to this channel, it is all about reviews and how-tos, so make sure you click that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any upcoming videos. Today we're going to be showing you how to record your screen on your Android phone. It's really easy to do, it's free, it's simple. We're going to be using a program called Screen Recorder, no ads, and it is free to download. Let's jump over to my computer here and show you on the Play Store what the program looks like. So this is what it looks like, Screen Recorder, no ads. You can download it on your PC right to your phone, or you can go on the Play Store on your phone and download it there. And it gets a great rating, 4.4 out of 5 with over 10 million downloads. So you can go ahead and install that on your phone. So let's dive over to my phone and show you exactly how this program works and how to set it up in the settings. Alright, so once you've got the Screen Recorder app installed, go ahead and open it up, and it's going to look something like this, where you're going to see all the screen recordings you've done. And the first thing you can do, if you click on the three dots next to any of your screen recordings that you have done, you can share them here, you can trim them, you can rename them, and delete them. So for example, this first one here, if I do want to delete it, I just click delete and hit OK, and that disappears off of my phone. Down in the bottom right hand corner, you're going to see a blue dot with a camera inside it. That's where you would click to start recording. We'll get into that in a moment, but first off, I do want to show you the different settings, and you can set it up exactly how you like. So in the top left hand corner, you're going to see three lines there. Go ahead and click on that, and there's different options here. We're looking for the option here that says settings. If you click on that, it's going to bring up all the settings for this recording app. Now, I'm not going to go through them all, but I'm going to go through some of the main ones. The first one I like to change here is the top one that allows you to change the amount of time from when you hit record to when it actually starts recording. There's actually a countdown on the screen. I like it at 3 seconds, but some people might need more time. You can adjust that right there. Some of the other ones, there's the file format, so how it saves it. Here's a big one, the resolution. So I like mine on 1080p or 1920 by 1080, but you might want to record in 4K or maybe a lower resolution. You can change that right there. What else is here? The bit rate you can change, the frame rate. Frame rate is pretty important. If you're recording maybe video games, you might want a higher frame rate, or if it's just some slower stuff on your screen, you might want it at 30 frames per second. So you can leave that or set that to whatever you like there. I like 60 frames for now. Video encoders. This is an important one. Do you want it to record the microphone in your phone? So you can turn that one on and off right there. The audio source, if you're using the microphone, etc. And there's some cool ones down here as well. This one here, show the camera. So you can have it so your picture is in the corner of the screen when you're recording. You can turn that on and off right there. So that's how the settings work, and I'll let you play with them more so you can figure out exactly how you want them for what you're recording. If we go back out to the main area, to the videos, now in order to start recording, we're going to hit this blue button down here in the bottom right. If you click on that, you're going to get a little pop-up that comes up with a record button. You can actually take screenshots of your screen in here with the green button. You can get back into the settings, or you can close it. So we're just going to go ahead and click the red button right here and start a recording. Alright, so now I'm actually recording with the Screen Recorder software. I wasn't actually recording with this software earlier. I was recording with different screen recording software, so you could see all the features within the program, otherwise you wouldn't have seen them. And actually when I hit record, it did do the countdown, the 3, 2, 1, but it doesn't actually record that, so you wouldn't have seen that portion. But now that I am recording, I can just record anything I want to do on the screen. So if I load up Google Translate, you can see all of this here. If I load up Google Maps, you can see Google Maps is on my screen. And now there's a cool feature here. If you swipe down from the top, you're going to see it says pause. So I can pause the recording, I can stop the recording, I can draw. I'll show you that one in a moment. But if I click camera here, you're going to see my picture pop up there in the bottom right hand corner. Hello. And you can turn that on and off very easily. Again, you just swipe down, hit the camera button, and it'll turn right off. The other cool feature, if you want to show people items on your screen, you can swipe down, click draw, and if I click the color palette here, I can change the color, that I draw in, as well as the thickness of the line. And I say, hey, why don't we go to Vancouver? And you can draw right on the screen. Just hit the X there if you want to delete that, and you're all done. And it's that simple to use this recording software, screen recorder, no ads. It's free again and really easy to use. So I hope this tutorial on using screen recorder, no ads on your Android phone did help you out. If it did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Also remember to subscribe to Northern Viking Every Day because I've got tons of videos coming up that I'd love to share with you. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time, take care.